found a mistake in my code. This is the data bus. This is the data bus from the Arduino. This is on the other side of the transceiver, so never mind. Anyway, we get the command here and it ends. The Arduino lets in, you can see in here, up there, the pulses, and otherwise it will cancel out so we don't get bus crash. I had a mistake in my code. I couldn't see why it didn't work, so but this loop that was waiting for that edge here, basically what it does is copies, these are the pulses coming in this loop, it copies whatever is on R0, which is 80. It doesn't matter what it is, the address isn't connected, so basically it's sampling this one. So you can see sampling, and then you see the interval changes at the edge there, and that's because it goes into wait 1.5 cycles, which I haven't done correctly yet. But what I fixed was this one. It said JZ, and JZ it jump when 0, but it's not 0, it's FF or F in this case. So it goes out of the loop at once. But when I change it to jump not 0, you can see it jumps when it's not 0, and when it's 0, which is the start byte, then it's going to continue. So yeah, I hope you like that. Very interesting. Sorry for this impromptu video, but I have a lot of problems with this board. I have a lot of video, so just want to show you the progress. Okay, since I'm going to just upload this video for now, this is one of many videos. I can tell you shortly what I've done. This is coming from the Videopac. It's in the program here. So if I go up here, you can see there. I put command inserted, which basically is 01 into A, and then I call my serial send, and that's what you get. And then it wants to receive 11 bytes from the Arduino. So, and in my receive section, you can also see I have figured out that I can disable interrupts, but I have to do it very late, because if I do it before one of these calls, I don't know which of them they are, but then the interrupts come on again and starts disturbing the timing. So now I don't have to wait for VSync anymore, so that's also great. Anyhow, so the command comes here, and then after a very short while, let's see, from there to there, it's about 70 microseconds. I have a delay in the Arduino code, so it's about 50 or 60 microseconds. So what it does, it opens up. I have 3 input there. This is the read line. This is the chip select. If this one is low, then it's RAM. It wants to load from RAM, like here. You can see these two come together, but this one is high, therefore there's no coming out. Now the chip select is on our side, sort of. And we are sampling, and to get these samples out or out on the bus transceiver, such as we can get this data out on here, we have another gate. So, and the reason why I'm doing that is because we have some false, like these two would actually come through if I hadn't have this extra line coming from the Arduino. So yeah, there's a lot of problem. I have probably 1 hour of video, or maybe more. So, but I wanted to show you that. So you can see, Videopac sends a command. The Arduino responds with a serious. So I will also show you the Arduino code. So this is the transfer part. I'm using a timer there. So basically waiting for the timer to time out. It's much more flexible to use timer if you want a continuous signal with a fixed rate. So then you can just say like here, we want 104.4 microseconds for every cycle. So you have a 60 megahertz crystal, and then you need to find a number to put in that register. So yeah, anyway, hope you like that. So I will upload this video now, because I haven't uploaded anything in a long time. So I will of course make a edit of everything. So hope you like that. See you soon. Bye bye.